Hey. Are you actively looking for a simple way to set up your own digital store on the internet? As a coach in the digital marketing space since 2020, I look at two aspects when I recommend these digital tools or platforms to my clients. Number one, it would be the ease of learning and using it. Number two, the cost of sustaining it long term. So when it fulfills these two fundamental criteria, I would definitely recommend it. So in today's brief tutorial video, I'm going to show you on my laptop some of the possible considerations in regards to setting up your digital store. And as a network marketer or affiliate marketer, right, you can consider this way of showcasing to your target audience your products and services. So let's go. So the first example would be for you to consider Linktree, right? Here's the link. Personally, I have been using it since day one in 2020 in my digital marketing journey. And when you set it up properly, this is how the whole thing will look like. Very presentable and professional looking. And these days, they have even included for you a shop, a setup for you to showcase your physical products. Of course, they started off with having links. That's why it is called a link tree. So over here, you can attach all your links that will redirect to your sales website when someone click on it. Of course, what are some of the other basic features, right? Would be you can showcase all your social media handles. And you can also have a subscribe button so that the audience can subscribe to your newsletter. In the aspect of ease of use, it is very simple, very straightforward. It probably takes you about 15 minutes to be able to be familiar with it and started to set up all your links. Okay, it is very straightforward, right? When you actually click on the various features provided on your dashboard, very quickly, in just about a matter of 15 minutes, you will be able to set up your initial few links and publish your online store. Next, we look at the cost of sustaining it. Okay, so here are their price offering. Of course, as a beginner, you may start off with just a free plan, okay? And it is already very comprehensive, so it will take away the stress of learning and setting it up. And very quickly, definitely, I'm sure you don't mind to pay for the starter plan at $5 a month to get more business features for you. And now, my own Linktree online store, I'm paying for the pro plan at $9 a month, which gives me even more business professional features. So here you are. Let me show you once again my own Linktree online store, right? This is how it looks like. So if you like the looks of it and you don't mind to pay for a $5 or even a $9 per month subscription, you may actually choose the Linktree. Let me show you the shop tab. That's how it looks like. Okay. However, that's not my favorite these days. Again, looking at the ease of using and learning it. The second point, the cost of sustainability for long-term usage. This is my new recommendation for you. As a paid subscriber, using it to run my network marketing and affiliate marketing businesses, this will be my recommendation. So there you are. Here, I'm showing you my new online store that is hosted on system.io. And if you have been following me, especially in my TikTok live streaming, right, I have strongly recommended the system.io. Again, it is based on the criteria of the ease of learning and using it quickly. Second, the low cost of sustaining it long term, especially for beginners. And on it, I actually hosted my own mentorship plus tech support subscription services. And today, I'm showcasing you my newly set up online store on the system.io. So it only took me about 30 minutes, right, to familiarize and completely set it up and go live with my online store. And so let me scroll down for you to see how the presentation looks like. Okay, and again, comparing to the Linktree example, although it may not look as colorful or interesting, right, as the basic version of the system.io online store. However, I think it is good enough for a start. And setting up again, it is very, very straightforward and simple to master. Let me demonstrate to you. Again, you can see from here, I've actually set up my playbook digital products and my digital services, the mentorship plus mini course and tech support hub. And of course, lastly, my own, right? This physical products online store. Okay. So let me demonstrate how can you add additional, right, products or services onto your digital store by first clicking on the add section and you give it a meaningful name. Let's say you are going to have some form of Zoom call consulting services. We can add. Okay, click on add section. Okay, there you are, you have it. Next, we click on add product and you can decide how you would want to have the next step when the audience click on the link or the button that is being shown on the online store. So in this example that I'm showing you here, so we are going to have a booking call, right? So that would means we link it to an external link so that it will redirect to a e-calendar. So once we have selected, right, to be redirect to the external link, these are the some simple items to be edited. Firstly, we will choose a suitable thumbnail, right? So perhaps we choose this one. All right, so it's in already. Next, we look at the title, right? So perhaps we can write book now. And on the button itself, we can leave it as click me. And over here is a short description, right? A meaningful short description. So for demo purposes, I will just keep it simple by typing in visit my booking link. And lastly, we will add the redirect URL over here, which for this instance, I'm going to use my calendarly.com e-calendar URL. Okay, I'm inside here on the the Calendarly platform, which I already have available booking link, right, for a free consult. I will copy this link right now and we will go back to the edit page again to paste this URL right here. Okay, next we can actually proceed to publish it and it will go live. And let me show you what are the results on the actual. This is a preview when the audience land on our online store. So can you see, right? It's so simple, right? It just takes a few minutes to set it up with just one item, your services, or even others that you are going to set up. So I've actually demonstrated to you that the ease of using the system.io to set up your online store. Now let's look at the cost to sustain it. System.io also allow the new user to be on the free plan for lifetime if you do not want to upgrade. So this is a plus point for a lot of beginners. And of course, I would recommend you to go for the monthly startup, which is only at $17 a month. Now, do note that it is not just for setting up an online store, unlike the Linktree, which is only meant for that. As you may already know, I hosted my mentorship plus tech support subscription services, right, on the system.io. So that means you can not only be having an online store, which I've just demonstrated to you, at the same time, you can also go on to build funnels, courses, right, and many other types of digital services on the system.io. And at the same time, it also provides you with email marketing services as well. Okay, like this, whereby you can manage your email list in the same platform. Not only that, on the system.io, it also can provide you with lots of automation workflow, whereby you can automate a lot of your business services. Let me show you as an example, right? So this is an automated workflow. So when somebody, right, pay for my mentorship plus mini course plus tech support services, right, it will activate all this follow up with the new subscriber without me manually engaging the new subscriber. And this runs on a 24/7. And the other wonderful benefits from being a subscriber of System.io is that they open up the affiliate marketing program for us. So as you can see here, this is my affiliate dashboard. And over here, I can make referrals, right? For example, to my clients or my students, right, to subscribe using whatever that I teach them about digital marketing to be hosted on System.io as well. And that means giving myself the opportunity of having an additional affiliated income. So with so many features made available as a modern digital marketer, I strongly recommend this System.io platform over the Linktree, comparing the ease of use as well as the cost of sustaining it long term, right? Definitely it is having a higher benefits offered to the subscriber. Of course, are there more cool options available in the market? Definitely, I can even name you a few right now. For example, beacons.com. It has been around for a while as a direct competitor to Linktree. And another one that is made popular by a YouTuber, by a YouTube influencer, right? And he is also an investor in this online store platform. And this new business tool for online store setting up is called Stand Store. However, despite that it is easy and very straightforward to set up, just like I showed you on the System.io or the Linktree, right? However, the cost of sustaining it is too high, especially for beginners who have yet to make any income on the internet, because the monthly subscription is as high as $99 a month. So for that consideration, I will not recommend it, especially to beginners. So in conclusion, considering all aspects that are absolutely necessary when you pivot onto the internet to create multiple sources of income, right? I strongly recommend to you the System.io platform. Not only myself as a paid subscriber, but at the same time, it passes in terms of the ease of learning and using it to the cost of sustaining it long term, whether you are a beginner or an advanced user. So, do you learn something today from this brief tutorial video that I've made in regards to giving you options in setting up an online digital store? You are most welcome to share with me your experience in this aspect and can comment below this video. And if you want more of such technical support tutorial, right, don't forget to follow me first, or if you immediately have a need for such kind of assistance from me, right, DM me tech support. And with that, you are giving me permission to officially follow up with you. So I look forward to seeing you in my next video tutorial.